Hi, I'm Angel Nightingale. Welcome to my channel. Dive into a world of diverse content that enriches your mind and soul. Discover the benefits of herbs and spices, explore mini episodes for adults tackling real-life situations, and enjoy kids' stories and educational videos for all ages. Immerse yourself in the beauty of nature with videos on animals and waterfalls and learn tips for skin and hair health. Plus, enjoy a variety of music to soothe your soul. Join our community and experience the magic of learning, nature, and wellness. Subscribe now and never miss an update. No-churn ice cream is the perfect way to send off summer with one last celebration. Made with just 3 ingredients, there is no need for any fancy equipment, ice cream makers, or special tools. Ingredients: 14 ounces sweetened condensed milk, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 cups heavy cream. Instructions: line a 9 by 5 loaf pan with parchment paper. Place in the freezer. Combine sweetened condensed milk and vanilla in a large, chilled bowl. In a separate chilled bowl, whip heavy cream on medium-high until stiff peaks form. Gently fold the whipped cream into the sweetened condensed milk. Stir in any mix you'd like at this point. Pour into prepared pan, cover with plastic wrap and freeze at least 4 hours or overnight. This easy strawberry sauce is made with just a few ingredients and fresh or frozen strawberries. Ingredients: 2 pound fresh strawberries, half a cup granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon water, 1 teaspoon vanilla. Instructions: wash strawberries well, remove the tops and chop into half-inch pieces. Place in a large saucepan with sugar and cook on medium heat, stirring often, until berries are softened and there is a lot of juice in the pan, 15 to 25 minutes, depending on the size of your berries and the size of your pan. Stir together cornstarch and water and add to the strawberries while it is still simmering. Stir until thickened. Stir in vanilla and remove from heat. Let cool slightly before serving warm, or let cool to room temperature and refrigerate to serve later. ChocolateChunk Avocado Ice Cream. Who knew that this chocolate avocado ice cream could be so creamy without a drop of regular milk or cream? No granulated sugar, either. Thank you to California Avocados for helping me share this recipe with you. Ingredients: 1½ California avocados pitted and peeled, 1 3/4 cups unsweetened almond milk, 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons pure maple syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 ounces dark 60% chocolate, roughly chopped. Cook mode: prevent your screen from going dark. Instructions: place the bowl of an ice cream maker in the freezer for at least 24 hours, or according to manufacturer's directions. Place the California avocado and almond milk into a blender and puree until smooth. Add the cocoa powder, maple syrup and vanilla extract. Blend until smooth, scraping down the sides of the blender as needed. Transfer to a large measuring cup with a spout, cover and chill for 2 hours. Pour the avocado mixture into the ice cream maker and process until the ice cream reaches the desired consistency. In the last 5 minutes, add the chopped dark chocolate. If you would like the ice cream to be firmer, transfer to a freezer-friendly container and place in the freezer. Before serving, leave on the counter to defrost until easy to scoop. Notes: Weight Watchers points, 6, Freestyle Smart points, 6 points plus. Nutrition: serving, 0.5 cup calories, 201.6 kilocalories carbohydrates, 26.2 g protein, 2.9 g fat, 12.3 g saturated fat, 3.7 g sodium, 58.3 milligrams fiber, 5.7 g sugar, 18 g. Avocado Ice Cream. Avocado Ice Cream. This avocado ice cream is a very easy, healthy homemade ice cream that's vegan, paleo-friendly and absolutely tasty. Creamy, smooth and ultra-rich with no ice cream maker. 114-ounce full-fat coconut milk refrigerated overnight. 2 ripe avocados halved, pitted and peeled. 1 ripe banana cut and frozen. 3 tablespoon maple syrup. 2 tablespoon lemon juice. 4 to 5 large mint leaves. Instructions. Chill a loaf pan in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or up to 24 hours. In a high-speed blender, add the peeled and pitted avocados. Scoop out the solid part of the coconut milk into a blender and save the liquid part to use in another recipe, like a smoothie. Add the banana, maple syrup, lemon juice and mint leaves. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour the mixture into the chilled loaf pan and use the back of a spoon to distribute evenly. Place in the freezer for at least 4 hours or overnight. For best results, let soften for 10 to 15 minutes at room temperature before serving. Equipment: aluminized steel loaf pan, high-speed blender, trigger ice cream scoop. Notes: for best results, eat the ice cream within 48 hours. To minimize browning, make sure to place a plastic wrap tightly over the ice cream so that it is touching the ice cream right before you freeze it. Store any leftovers in the loaf pan or an airtight container in the freezer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on the best contents. Have a beautiful and blessed day to each and everyone.